Hi curly girls! This is a very fun video today because we are going to be doing things a little bit differently. Today we are actually highlighting 4 ways to use Batana oil in your curl routine. So the featured product for the day is this Batana oil. It's 100% Batana oil by Love Beauty, and the founder of Love Beauty is going to come and she's going to show you how to use it. If you are new here, my name is Barbie Dell. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we discuss all things curly, wavy, and coily hair. Through my videos and my curly hair subscription, I help thousands of people every single month. And of course, our featured product today is Inside of Curls Monthly in April 2026. If you're not familiar with Curls Monthly, it's my curly hair subscription box where each month I'll send you 5 products for you to test and try and approve so you can figure out what works best for your curls. I will drop that link below if you're interested. So before we get into the video and we show you how to use Batana oil on curls, first, let's talk about what Batana oil is. It is actually a miracle oil, and it's kind of a rare oil, but it's sort of more recently becoming more and more available. I really do think that it is that girl. So what is it? Batana oil comes from the nuts of palm trees, and it contains nutrients that are linked to scalp and hair health. People have been using it for thousands of years on their curls and just hair in general. It makes your hair stronger. It's really great. And it definitely has like a nice thick, buttery consistency. So it is really great for thicker hair types, which a lot of curls tend to be thicker. And because many types of curls are naturally kind of dehydrated, Batana oil comes in and really adds that shine back to your hair. But it's cool because it will help hydrate and add that shine, but it won't add oiliness. So it's not heavy. Okay, so let's get into the styling.
Hey y'all, Gabrielle, Zalina here, founder of Love Beauty, and oh my God, I am with the beautiful Barbie today. And let me tell you a little bit about me. Love Beauty started from 20 years of me doing naturally textured hair. And during COVID, they shut our salons down. And I was frustrated because my livelihood was shut down. And I was like, what am I gonna do now? And so me and a couple partners got together and we built Love Beauty, which is the aloe first botanical based brand. So all of our products are infused with aloe vera instead of water. So today we are going to introduce to you our blooming curls, which is really 100% Batana oil. So this is an extract that is amazing for hair growth and stimulation, and I'm going to show you 4 ways that we can use it. So one of my favorite hacks using the blooming curls oil is getting your spoolie at night after you do your face routine and just putting a couple dots on there and running it through your eyebrows. Growth stimulation is a real thing, and the amount of vitamin E oil that is also blended into this oil, it just really helps to replenish your growth. And I mean, if you have lines in your eyebrows like I do, we know we need a little support. Yes. So not only is this amazing for your scalp, you can use it wherever you want hair growth. You just need a little bit, just a graze, because you don't need a lot. And you'll just take it and run it through. Every night, if you need exfoliation, you can kind of run it through your eyebrows like that. Number 2 is stimulating hair growth on your scalp. If there's any places in our hairline where we're like, I'm noticing that I'm having some hair loss, so we can apply nutrients externally on our body as well.
Supplements are there to supplement the
yes.
fact that when you can't do it yourself.
On our hairline, even after your style is done, using a little bit of oil to just push back, it gives a little edge control, you know, a little light edge control look, but it also is stimulating that hair growth because you are feeding your scalp, and our scalp does need to be fed. Wherever you feel like, hey, I want some more hair, you know, just add a few drops and massage it in. One of my best friends is a massage therapist, and he really taught me like the need of massaging and getting blood to flow. So when you couple massage with the oil therapy, you're bringing more blood to the system, and then you're feeding that blood with the nutrients that it needs.
Well, whatever you're doing feels great.
Of course, our ends need food too. Did you ever notice the ends of our hair? It kind of is open a little bit. And sometimes you even have little knots and bulbs on there. It needs to be fed also. So just grabbing some and crunching it in before you walk out of the door really helps to repair those ends, really gives it that lightness that it needs.
Why do you love Batana oil over other oils?
I love Batana oil for one because it is really rich in fatty acids, and those fatty acids are so needed for our skin. We don't eat the way we used to. American diet makes it, everything is fast. We're not getting enough fatty acids. So the fatty acid in Batana oil just really goes on the skin, the scalp, and the hair really well. And it actually gives the nutrients that we need to build strong hair and scalp.
It looks great already and honestly feels so good. While she is here, I'm gonna run and go wash my hair so we can finalize the fourth way that you can use Batana oil.
If you are looking for an oil that really gives back to your hair and gives back to your body, this is one you want to work with. Using it on your hair every day, it really gives back. It adds a lot of shine. And so Batana oil is not something you would want to use as a first step in your hair. It's more of a last step. Why? Because oil seals in the moisture. So your shampoos, your conditioners, your curl creams, all of those things will go first. And Batana oil would be one of the last things you put in your hair, so that it can kind of seal in everything that you have done to your hair for the day. And utilizing it on a consistent basis, it just feeds your scalp. It is going to give you everything you need to build up stronger strands, and you will have less hair loss over time the more that you use it. So Barbie's hair is all dry now, and we're gonna finish her off with our Batana oil. Okay. We're gonna create some volume here by separating the curls.
Yeah.
We don't need a lot of Batana oil, just enough so that the fingers are coated, and we're gonna go in and see we have some nice tendrils, but I wanna open them up so that we can create more volume. Mm-hmm. I'm literally just gonna take my pinky and open it up.
It's the best part of the routine.
So as we are separating and distributing the Batana oil through, it's just adding shine to each strand of her hair.
What's so cool is, like she was saying, a little Batana oil will go such a long way. So like this bottle will last you forever.
Yes, it will. Oh, I love it, Barbie.
Yay, I love it. So pretty. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'm so appreciative that Gabrielle joined us here all the way, honestly, from Atlanta.
Hey.
So we're in Jersey, so this video traveled lots of miles to get to you. I'm so excited. Make sure that if you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, you try the Love Bloomin' Curls hair and scalp oil. And if you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, I will drop the link below. I'll also drop the direct product link below if you want to try it yourself. And we'll see you next time.